Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is iPhone 15 Pro Max. Just yesterday, I buy this product. Even I already added the shopping video. Link is available on video description. You can click and watch entire video of my home to the power electronics store. As usual, I purchase every electronic gadgets in power store, and this product price here in Copenhagen, Denmark, 11,789 Danish krona, around Indian currency 1,40,000 INR. So I purchased 15 Pro Max as a color blue titanium. I purchased this one, first one, because of every year I purchase like a gray, black, gray color, so that's why I purchased new blue titanium. So we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start as a demonstration of unboxing this product. Here the break the seal. I just simply break the seal.
Da-da-da.
And now, so I just simply open the box. Magic is open like this. So look at this inside the box. This one is empty, and here is my magic blue titanium. It's really nice. And inside the box, first of all, we will discuss the C-type cable. This is the biggest, update of C-type cable in new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Have MacBook, so you have already C-type charging cable for the MacBook, and this adapter comes in 65 volt, so you can very easily put it here and charge your new iPhone. That one is really interesting. After that, no need to carry two chargers. Still, they are providing C-type charging cable. Using this charging cable, you can very easily connect on your MacBook like this and charge your iPhone. That one is one advantage of this C-type charging port. So look at this. The mobile is quite good. Here they are introducing this new buttons, action button, mic. You can increase the size, you can decrease the size, and here power button. Old phone also similar kind of same, but this button they are disturbing the separately, so it's nice. Inside the box we can see, as usual, they are providing one sticker like this and some of the magic guideline. No one are reading of this guideline, of course. So now we'll start. I just simply remove the sticker like this. Dun, dun, dun. And now I just simply on my mobile, and my mobile is on. So this is a simple unboxing of iPhone 15 Pro Max blue titanium. The gray and blue, it's similar kind of same color, but you feel something little change, and the body is really interesting of this blue titanium of new iPhone, and it's little bit lightweight compared to 14 Pro Max. This is 14 Pro Max and this is 15 Pro Max. Both mobile I have this year. Little feel is different, of course, if you are paying 40,000 extra compared to this one, so definitely you feel little good. This is a simple unboxing of iPhone 15 Pro Max. Upcoming days I will make number of videos related on 15 Pro Max, related on action button, camera setting, image capturing setting, and much more. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.